It's a beautiful morning in Helsinki, and now we are leaving to explore Helsinki Christmas Market. We have arrived at Robert's Cafe to warm up with some coffee and food after a fantastic time touring the Christmas market. After a much-needed coffee break, now we are heading to the Forum Mall, the most famous mall in Helsinki.
They play my favorite song. I see a snowflake melt on the deck. I'm awful cold and longing for the holiday. Counting days until you're here. I've been waiting this whole year. Dear Christmas, Christmas, Christmas night. I know you may suffer light, but together we're alright. You know we're ready for Christmas. Can't wait to head back home when the neighbors call.
Now we are returning to the hotel to check out, since we will be traveling to Lapland to visit Santa Claus village and meet the real Santa Claus. How exciting it is! If you wish to know more about this winter wonderland, then please subscribe to the channel. It will be an overnight journey from Helsinki to Rovaniemi, and there is a special train that goes to Santa Claus village and which is known as Santa Claus Express. We have arrived at the railway station and it's snowing. Our first in Finland. How amazing! We will share our experience and everything about the Santa Claus Express in our next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.
Christmas, Christmas, Christmas night. I know you may suffer light, but together we're alright. You know we're ready for Christmas.